Is your Instagram screen suddenly zoomed in and everything looks too big? In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Instagram zoomed in screen problem quickly and easily. First, make sure your Instagram app is fully updated from the Play Store or App Store because outdated versions can sometimes cause display bugs and screen glitches. After updating Instagram, open your phone's settings and go to Apps, and after that, tap on App Management. Then find and tap on Instagram from the list of apps. Now tap on Force Stop and Force Stop it. This will completely refresh the app in the background. After that, go to Storage Usage or Storage and Cache, depending on your device. Then tap on Clear Cache. This removes temporary bug files that may be causing the Instagram zoom issue. If the problem is still there, you can also tap on Clear Data or Clear Storage. Just remember that this may log you out of your Instagram account, so you'll need to sign in again. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram troubleshooting tutorials, Android fixes, and social media tips.